In this New Year Success Kit review, I'm going to be showing you a program that's going to give you all the different tools that you need in order to be successful online in 2025. They're going to teach you their exact systems that are working right now. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, including a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out New Year Success Kit, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. You've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says our best ever start to a new year success kit. Make 2025 the year you achieve all your goals with our amazing package. No experience, email list, or tech skills required. So it says you get huge daily free traffic package to kick off 2025 in style, how to use AI to succeed in 2025, how to earn monthly throughout 2025, doing the work only once, how to get all the best online tools, and again, no experience needed for this. Step 1, you grab your copy. Step 2, you just follow the simple instructions and give them any URL and they're gonna actually send you traffic. And then step 3, complete the simple video training and learn all the skills and get all the free tools that you need for 2025. Now, these are results that they've had here. It doesn't mean that you're gonna magically start getting those results, but it just means that they know what they're talking about and they're actually making money on the internet here. Which is an important thing. You want to follow someone that's actually doing that. They've got a bunch of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this, and all these extra ones here included as well. So I'm going to go ahead and play a quick video of them explaining this a little bit more. First thing I want to show you though is I'm going to move my mouse away. You get a discount on this if you move your mouse away. I make less by showing you this discount, so please hit that like button. I appreciate it. Okay, I'll be back in a minute to show you the backend area and the OTOs after you watch this video.
A new year brings with it a new opportunity. But if we keep doing the same things that we did unsuccessfully in the previous year, then we are going to see the same results. So this year, I have teamed up with marketer Ronnie Rocksmith to bring you the ultimate success pack to start 2025. We have also kept the price as low as humanly possible because we know everyone has run out of money after the holiday season, but only if you pick it up during the launch period. So, what's included inside New Year Success Kit? Well, first up, we're going to give you a great daily traffic package throughout 2025. We will send traffic to any URL of your choice from 10 different traffic sources and continue to send it daily all year. We've even included a brand new traffic source that we've added just for this launch. Next, we're including some great training on how to get ahead with AI in 2025. You will discover how to keep ahead of all the latest developments in this fast-moving environment and how to monetize new opportunities as they come online. We'll also show you a completely free way to get recurring monthly commissions every single month while only ever having to do the work once. Plus, we'll point you to the places where you can get all of the online tools you could possibly need to run your online business, including an autoresponder, either for free or for next to nothing. In fact, there are so many tools and resources inside that there isn't even room to mention everything here. But don't delay. The super low price will only be available during the launch period. Plus, the brand new traffic rotator is currently lying empty. So make sure you add your URL to it before everyone else starts jumping on this. So, in 2025, don't leave anything to chance and don't keep repeating the same old, same old. Join Ronnie and me inside and let's make this new year one to remember. We'll see you on the inside.
Okay, so we're back. So this is what the training is actually going to look like here. They have a complete overview, the main training section with everything all included inside of it, your different resources, conclusion. They've got extra bonuses included in here as well, unadvertised bonuses, more bonuses, etc. All included inside of the package. Now there are multiple upgrades. First one is the pro version of this. This is going to give you more URLs in their rotator, some more traffic. So this is just for people that want more traffic, normally 37. However, If you hit that no thanks button here, they're going to offer it to you at a discounted price. You get the same thing here with $20 off. So again, I make less as an affiliate by showing you that. So please hit that like button. I appreciate it. Next one is you can get 5 links of yours on their Pro Rotator. Again, normally $47, but you're going to want to hit that no thanks button on this one as well. And it's going to give it to you for $27, so you can get a $20 off discount. Again, you can get reseller rights. So if you want to get 100% reseller rights, hit that no thanks button as well and get a discount on that one. Then they've got a monthly earnings opportunity with them. This is more expensive, but you can. I think he's got like done for you campaigns and stuff for this one. If you hit the no thanks button on this one, let's see what that price goes down to. It goes from $197 to $97, so it's a big $100 off discount on that one. Then they've got another deal, so you get a bunch of there's you get his training program here, $497 for this one. If you say no to that one, let's see what happens with that. See if it gives you, nope, then it's just done. So that's no discount on that one. All the O2Os are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about New Year Success Kit and what don't I like about it? If I just say something that I don't like about it, don't think that just because you get this, you're magically going to start making money with this. You need to go through the system. You need to go through the training. You need to use the tools. There's work involved. What do I like about it? Dawood's been doing this for a while now. He knows what's working. He knows what isn't. If you'd like to learn from a guy that's actually making money online, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my New Year Success Kit review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.